This segment of DelmarvaLife is brought to you by the law offices of Tunnell and Raysor.
All right, so think for a second about your favorite bag of chips. When you're at the store and you want to buy those chips, how do you tell them apart from the rest? The bag has a certain look, a logo, perhaps even a catchphrase that lets you know those are the chips you want. No other chip company can take that logo or catchphrase because it's trademarked. Well, the team at the law offices of Tunnell and Raysor encourages businesses to consider trademarks. DelmarvaLife's Katie Zarrilli tells us why.
Little letters that go a long way. Take a look at some of the products around you. Yes, right now. Do you see a tiny R or TM next to the logo on the product? That means the item has a trademark.
A trademark is a word, phrase, symbol, or design that's used to identify goods.
All right, eyes back up here. Asim E. Gulab is an associate attorney at Tunnell and Raysor. He's talking trademarks with more and more businesses lately, whether they're big or small.
Essentially, for a business owner, a trademark is very important because that protects your goods and identifies your goods from others.
It's becoming crucial for businesses to consider trademarks, according to Asim. Protection is powerful.
We're finding trademark issues are coming up more now, especially with the internet age. So you'll have a good, a service that you've created, that's your own. But somebody else could take advantage of that by using it, counterfeiting it. And then you'll be at a disadvantage to market your own business.
This could mean you lose business if a consumer buys a different product thinking it's yours. Or it could dilute your business if the other business isn't run properly.
We're all familiar with certain products, like for instance, sodas. You'll recognize a particular brand of soda you like, the distinctive font, the color. You'll see it and you recognize it. That's what you associate with that brand. So without a trademark, anybody could sell their product and use that name or that particular way they use their name.
If your business does have a trademark, you can of course sue anyone trying to sell your product and use your name. Asim says if you want to consider trademarking, you can file for a state trademark or a federal trademark.
In Delaware, the process is not very long. It could take just a matter of weeks. A filing for a federal trademark can be anywhere depending on 8 months to a year. It depends on is it contested, are there other filings that are similar, so it could take longer.
He says choosing to file for a federal trademark has a few perks.
Then it's in the federal database. So if somebody else is trying to file, then that'll prevent them if their filing is too similar to yours. The other thing is it's a broad protection, so you're protected within the entire United States. Another advantage, of course, is you see that little R with the circle, and that puts the public on notice that this is trademarked. Somebody owns this, and it's been registered.
It'll also stop counterfeited products.
So when you file with the USPTO, that's given to the United States Customs and Border Patrol. So they're actively on the lookout for products coming into the country.
You might wonder what the difference is between the little r and the little TM. An R represents that it's been filed at the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. A TM represents that it is trademarked but was registered elsewhere. Once you do receive a trademark, you have to keep it renewed. You'll first need to renew it 6 years after you've received it. After that, you'll have to renew it once it's been 10 years since you originally received it. After that, you'll need to continue to renew it every 10 years.
It's extremely important, especially if you're continuing to use your trademark.
Asim says trademarking is something he's proactively talking with business owners about, and the number one question he continues to answer is, why?
Because a lot of businesses don't realize the importance of trademarking their business, trademarking their design, their logo. They just don't understand the importance of it. So we actively try to put that in a business plan when we talk to our business people.
And Asim also says that a trademark gives the business owner legal presumption of ownership over the trademark, which means that any third party claiming rights to the mark would have to prove otherwise to use the mark.